Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the fingerprint button and the back cover on the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. Be careful when removing the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached. Take out the back cover and then remove the logic board cover by undoing 9 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then disconnect the fingerprint plug. And now the back cover can be fully separated from the phone's body. The fingerprint is located on the side of the back cover. Gently release the not working fingerprint button from the holder. Next, place and secure the new button in the back cover. Gently insert the holder into the place. If you are replacing only the back cover, make sure to swap the fingerprint button from the broken back cover. Next, secure the fingerprint plug and then secure the battery plug. Next, secure the logic board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before closing the device, always turn on the device for testing. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clip securely. Also, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.